Okay, we're starting back. Had a few technical difficulties. My timer actually went off and totally stopped the video because I was telling Siri to stop. But anyhow, neither here nor there. So, I had added the flour already to the bag, 1 cup of flour. I also then did 1 cup of the sugar. And remember, I told you guys 1-1-1 for today. And I did a cup of milk. I'm using whole milk. I think it gives it a little bit more depth and flavor. So all of that stuff is already here in this bag, okay? Probably can't really see, but it's a little gunky mess. So what I want to do is I want to carefully press out as much of the air as I possibly can. Okay? I'm going to close this, make sure it's tight. If you've got these nice sealed glide bags, well, sit in the glide, I guess this is a zipper bag. Just make sure it's nice and sealed. And then all you're going to do is you're going to just kind of mush it up and mix it together as best you can and try to incorporate those ingredients. You can kind of just put it on the counter or whatever. And just make sure you blend it as good as you possibly can. So I'm going to smash it. You'll probably have some lumps from the flour. It may not actually be a good idea if you're kind of a perfectionist and put stuff to sift that flour before you add it. But it's not required at all. Because normally most people would do this in a bowl. But when this starter was given to me, it was in a baggie, and I thought that was a little bit easier. Just kind of incorporate all the stuff, especially if you don't have the counter space and want a bowl sitting up there covered. This is kind of self-contained. Okay. Let's go ahead. I think that's probably really good. I'm going to kind of do some more massaging, and you're going to actually still massage this for a couple of days. So take as much or as little time with this as you kind of feel. Like I said, I'm a perfectionist, so I like to kind of blend this down and make sure it's more uniform. Which that looks really good. Be back in just 1 second. Okay, so we have finished day 5 of this process. Now for the next 4 days, all we're gonna do is what we did for days 2 through 4. You're gonna stir or agitate the contents, the yeast and the flour and the sugar and the milk. You're just gonna keep doing that for the next 4 days. So we will be back, or we will get back together on Tuesday. Monday will be the last day that you're gonna agitate this. And then on Tuesday, we're going to add some more ingredients, and we'll actually should be able to get this into the oven. So this is about a 10-day process. I will see you guys in a couple of days, and I hope everything goes well. Thanks for tuning in to University Arts. And don't forget to subscribe below, and feel free to comment, ask questions, or if there's anything you want to see me make, I'm always open. Thanks, guys, so much. See you in 4 days.